Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the sound equalizer of your Bang Olufsen A1 second generation speaker. At first you have to be logged into the Bang Olufsen application and select your speaker from the list. In this place you can find the sound equalizer, so you can find 5 presets. You can switch them by tapping on each one. You can also customize them by tapping right here and use the slider. If you want to save, click on the save button. You can just save it or just create the new one, and the new one you can also add right here. Click to save as new. Right now you can name it, click save. As you can see, right now it appears right here, and also you are able to customize position. So if you want to get the default one at the first place, you can simply move it like that. Then just go back, and as you can see, it changed. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.